another topic that I get a lot of questions about. So can you put gel on nails that are splitting vertically, especially nails with ridges? Because a lot of people are having problems with nails with ridges that split, that catch on things, and sometimes this is quite painful. So yes, but in my opinion, this is kind of a last resort. Personally, I would not jump into this solution without first trying to really care for the nails and condition them, because many times you can really improve the splitting and avoid the splitting without resorting to applying gel that requires maintenance. So who is this service for? So this is a professional service meant for clients with otherwise healthy nails that split, like I mentioned, sometimes painfully due to ridge or ridges or damaged nail root, because usually those things are caused by something happening under the skin. So where the matrix is. Just like anything, this service has pros and cons, and it's extremely important to be able to communicate both with the client, so the client knows the pros and cons and they can have realistic expectations. Number one, soft gel, prepped gently, applied correctly, worn gently, and removed gently can hold the nail together, preventing it from cracking in the weak area. Number two, the coating looks very natural and it feels very natural because it's very flexible and thin. And number three, the application is quite quick. So it takes really like 5 minutes. But what are the cons? Number one, it requires maintenance every 2 weeks. Number two, it does not fix the nail permanently. And this is what the clients need to understand. This is not meant to grow out the split nail and then you can just remove the coating and then the nail is going to be fine. It doesn't work that way. Number three, it does not really strengthen the nail underneath. It just creates a coating that holds the nail together when the coating is on top of the nail. And number four, the coating worn long term can cause some further damage to the nail plate, but the damage should not be excessive. And again, like I said, that depends on how the nail is prepped, very gently, how the product is worn very gently, and that it's removed very gently. And it's not worn for extended period of time at a time. So this is why every 2 weeks, it is very important. Being realistic, I'm going to tell you that this is not suitable for people that are hard on their hands, because constant pulling and bending the nails can cause further damage to the nail plate. It is also not suitable for people that can't commit to regular appointments. So normally bi-weekly appointments are necessary, and because I've always pretty much worked by myself, my clients had to pre-book their appointments and they had to be able to keep those appointments, because otherwise last minute I wouldn't have any available time and then the nails would break and we're back at square one. So for the soft gel coating, I personally found the C&D shellac base in 1 layer and the original top coat in 1 to 2 layers the best. It holds very well for a very gently bonding gel and it soaks off quite well. The time of the application and the curing total per 1 nail, I would say, is about 5 minutes. And the maintenance is done by soaking off the coating. And this combination, like I said, soaks off very well in 5 minutes or so. And in that time, I recommend manicuring the rest of the nails. So as the product is soaking off, you can start working on the other nails and you're not really wasting any time just sitting there waiting for the product to soak off. During the first application, I manicure all the nails, so shape, cuticle detail, and then I apply the soft gel coating and then I polish. During the bi-weekly maintenance appointments, I soak off the gel first. I do it with pure acetone, and during that time, like I mentioned, I shape the nails. The shaping usually takes me about 7 minutes, 6-7 minutes, depends. And by then, the gel is soaked off. I remove the gel and I shape that nail or the nails, and then I do the cuticle detail and I do polish. And I do know, it comes up very often, that at 2 weeks, those nails look perfect. And I know it's very tempting for the clients to ask to stretch the appointment. So they're like, oh, it still looks good. You know, I want to come in next week or something, but truly, I don't recommend it. So it's not me that I want to make more money. That's not what it is. It's just that when the nails get too long, there is too much bend on the nail. And also, I think the product ages, it becomes a little bit more brittle, it does not soak off as well, and it can cause more surface damage. So truly 2 weeks, guys, honestly, that's the best. So this method also can be used on all 10 nails to extend the nail bed. There was a video that I just did recently about this topic, so you can watch it if you're interested. And at the end of this video, you will see quick screenshots of how the nails looked 2 weeks ago, really, and how they looked today. So after the 2 weeks of wearing the soft gel coating. And the last screenshot on gray background is my mom's nails 6 weeks ago and now. And you'll see how her nail bed extended with regular manicures and polish wear, and as well as the soft gel coating on a couple of her nails. Now, this is something extremely important to talk about. I personally would not do this service for clients with damaged, thin, and painful nails. And I know this is very tempting because people will come in, and I've had that happen with nails in a very bad condition, very painful nails, and they're like, well, can you do something for me? Can you apply something? And I don't anymore. And there are two reasons. I just know that this coating will not stick properly to damaged nails, and it will peel off, causing, again, more damage within days. And I just don't want this to happen because, I charge good money for my services, and I want to make sure that clients are happy. But if they come in and something just peels off within a couple of days, then they're not going to be happy. And number two, as important, there are products that will stick to very damaged, thin nails. But those products have more aggressive bonding ingredients, and they will bond to thin and damaged nails. But the risk is allergic reactions. And allergic reaction is not a joke. I actually have a few videos addressing that. So it's not just like, a little bit of redness around the nails and then it just goes away. No, it actually is quite horrific, and I don't exaggerate about things. So no, I just do not want to risk it. And I'm not going to do it. I would rather stick to more gentle products that are either hypoallergenic, meaning less likely to cause allergic reactions, or regular nail polish. Better safe than sorry, in my opinion. Like I mentioned, this video is a combination of two full manicures. So the manicure that I did 2 weeks ago and the manicure that I did now. So I'm not sure how this topic and the length of this video or these videos are going to fit this channel, because this is something that in such detail I think mostly nail technicians are going to be interested in. So for now, depending on the interest, I will make the 2 full manicure videos available on my website as a download. And I might do a private live for nail technicians who purchased it in case there are any additional questions, because this is a big topic. Or if you are interested about pricing, how to price this and how to fit this into your practice and how to market this type of service. So like I said, the 2 videos, full length, me explaining exactly what I'm doing, are going to be available on my website as a download. And if you have any questions and any feedback, please let me know in the comment section, and I would love to talk about it. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye. You could use it, in my mom's case, you could use it on all the